Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 Sets of Twins. I'm going to be doing some DIY crafts today, so I hope you will sit back and enjoy them. Also, if you would hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell, that would be awesome. Also, I would appreciate if you would share with your family and friends. So sit back and enjoy, grab a cup of coffee, some tea, and let's get crafting. I have this old clock that I found at my mom's, and it doesn't work, but I thought I would just sort of repurpose it and make it look a little bit better. Maybe we can get it to work later, but I was into painting, so I thought I would just paint it. Trying to cover the clock part, but I'm just using some white chalk paint. And it's going to take probably 2 coats. I'm going to use my heat gun to just dry it so I can put a second coat on it. Now I'm just going to pull off the tape so that I can try to distress it. There were some brown spots that showed through, so I'm just going to probably take a really small paintbrush and get those edges just so that they don't show through. But I'm also going to distress it with some umber, burnt umber from Apple Barrel. I've got a dry brush, it's like a chip brush that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to go through and just get a little of the paint. I put some on this piece of plastic and I'm going to go through and distress it. Just going to give it that old world charm look that he's been sitting around for years. I'm just going through and getting those brown edges with the paintbrush, using the same white paint. It looks like it's been sitting in a farmhouse, so I like the way it looked. We'll try to get it to work, but look how cute that turned out. It's very farmhouse. So if you have an old clock, paint it. Next one is a flower pot that I got at Hobby Lobby, I think. I think it was like $1.29. And I took these flowers off an old wreath of mine. So I'm sort of repurposing the flowers. And I'm not going to put any foam in there. I'm just going to place them in there because I'll probably change them again in the summer and then maybe in the fall. So this is just a quick and easy way to get some flowers and change your color. I didn't like the purple. And change your color scheme for different seasons. Still didn't like the purple, so I'm just going to go with all pink. Now I'm just going to put some twine around the bottom. I'm just going to wrap it around a couple times just to give it a different look. More of a farmhouse look. And there you have it. Look how cute that is. I think that turned out precious. I really do. And it's small enough that you could just stick it anywhere, even on your 3-tier tray. The next one is I have this little tin one that looks like a watering can that I got from Hobby Lobby also. And I'm just going to stick the purple silk flowers that I took off this wreath. And again, I'm not going to put any foam in it. I'm just going to place the flowers in there. Just something quick and easy, and it just makes it look really, really pretty. I'm loving the way these are turning out. So cute. And then I have this ivory. It's like a vine type. And I'm going to just wrap that around the little handle, just to give it some more texture and something different. Look how cute that one turned out. These are quick and easy. You can just do different colored flowers in your house. You can change them. And I love the way that one turned out. How pretty is that? Simple, easy. I think the little can probably cost $1.50. And my favorite is this cow planner. How cute is this? You saw it in one of my hauls a few weeks back. I got it at Dollar General. And this one I am going to use foam because I'm going to be putting a lot of flowers in there, and I'm going to put the foam in there so it really sticks in there really good, so it's not going to come out. I didn't glue it either, so. And I have this bouquet that I got at Walmart. I've got 2 of them. It's a berry mix. I'm going to cut these apart with my wire cutters, and I'm just going to make this little cow look absolutely adorable. So I'm just cutting the branches, placing it in the foam, and we'll see how cute it turns out. I tried this other one, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I'm going to pull it back out. And I'm just going to do another bunch of the berries. Sometimes you really don't know what you're going to do till you're doing it, especially with flowers, because you never know how it's going to turn out till you start, placing them in the foam. That's the fun of it, though. And the cow is looking pretty cool. So again, these berry mix came from Walmart, and my little cow came from Dollar General. And if you're thinking about subscribing, we would love to have you as a part of our family. So if you would hit the subscribe button, I would be grateful. And the like button and the notification bell so that you know when my next video comes out. But look how gorgeous this is. I think this is one of my favorites. It is so cute. Turned out great. Love it. Absolutely love it. Look how cute he looks. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, the next one is a flowers and garden pot that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some rope around the bottom and just glue it all the way around. I started right there and then I decided to pull it out and put it more to the side so you wouldn't see that seam maybe, but sometimes you're going to have to see the seam. So I'm just going around gluing down in certain areas, not the whole thing. I'll just glue it in different spots. I've got these heat gloves on that I bought from Amazon. They work pretty well. I'll tell you what, when you put that glue down, you can't get it off, that's for sure. I guess I could have used my heat gun to melt it, but I was in a hurry, so trying to pull it off. Got a little bit of it off, and not much. So I'm just going to put some more glue on and try to pull them together so it doesn't look so like it's got a seam in it. It wasn't the best, but that's probably going to be the side that goes to the other side if you put it against the wall or something. So next I am going to put a ton of plant flowers in them. They're almost like I don't know what they're called, but I have a ton of them. So I'm just going to fill this bucket with all of these plants that are green till it gets really full. And I'm just bending the little bottoms so they fit in right. I'll try to put a little taller in the back and then to the front. I could have put foam in it, but I ran out of foam, so I decided just to put them in, and it turned out really good. So I don't think they're going anywhere, so I don't think you always have to put foam in it. And if you wanted to add some white little flowers, like baby's breath or something, you could do that. Or maybe add some baby roses. I just wanted something really green. So there you have it. I think it turned out very nice. It'll be pretty in your kitchen, or if you have those cabinets where you have space up top to put some flowers. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you for hitting the like button and the notification bell. And we will see you next time. Be kind, because kindness always matters.